Explain the when in the middle and the beginning of the sentence. The when in the beginning of the sentence is mean after. Example, when you open the file, check the last page. And the when in the middle is the future and means at the same time. Example, I eat ice cream and I am on holiday. Acabou de
In the class of today, we are going to see the when in the middle of the sentence. In this case, the when means I interrupted action. I was sleeping when he called me. Another example is I was studying when he called me. And this is today we are going to study about that. In this case, as my mom said, always do your best. Another example, as my best friend says, always study. This one here is the S in the middle of the sentence. He is, as you know, very stubborn. Another example, my best friend is, as you know, it's so nice.